अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट, आज हम करने जा रहे हैं CS 504 फाइनल टर्म प्रिपरेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 स्टार्ट करते हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर बिल्डिंग एन एनालिसिस मॉडल? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डेवलप एन एब्रिवेटेड सॉल्यूशन फॉर द प्रॉब्लम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, control flow diagram use dash. Correct answer is dash line to show control flow and solid bars as windows into the CSPEC. Question number 3, consider the following scenario. Student log in the system and check his or her lecture schedule, keeping in mind the use case diagram and above scenario. In the one of the post condition might be correct. Answer is system should be available. Question number 4, OAA is intended to define dash their relationship and their behavior. Correct answer is classes. Question number 5, one of the most powerful feature of exception handling is that error can be dash over function boundaries. Correct answer is thrown. Question number 6, inspection can check conformance with the specification but not conformance with the dash requirement. Correct answer is customers read. Question number 7, for inspections dash are prepared that contain information regarding defect. Correct answer is checklist. Question number 8, the first bug was actually a moth which flew through an open window and into one of the marked dash relays. Correct answer is 2. Question number 9, holistic medicine concern itself with the state of body as a whole, no, not the dash that is currently attacking it. Correct answer is disease. Question number 11, what factor has low participation is in more sophisticated and complex computer-based system? Correct answer is vast use of personal computer. Question number 11, what type of error are missed by black box testing and can be uncovered by white box testing? Correct answer is logic errors. Question number 13, when large amount of data is to be shared, a repository model is used. This model has been extensively used in the dash based application. Correct answer is mainframe. Question number 13, a dash is a variance from desired product attribute. Correct answer is defect. स्टूडेंट प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करें करके बताएंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, dash ensure that a class only has one instance and provide a global point of access to it. Correct answer is singleton pattern. Question number 15, performance and usability are example of dash requirement. Correct answer is non-functional. Question number 16, camel class is now the official convention for file names and identifier in the dash programming language. Correct answer is Java. Question number 18, comment should be intended relative to their position in the dash. Correct answer is code. Question number 19, one of the guidelines to avoid common mistake is to never use dash except for declaration. Correct answer is comma. Question number 20, when planning for performance, one should always remember the dash rule. Correct answer is 80/20. Question number 21, behavioral class pattern uses dash relationship to distribute behavior between classes. Correct answer is inheritance. Question number 22, software crisis appeared in dash. Correct answer is early 60s. Question number 23, in C++ or Java, name constant are written in all uppercase letter with dash to separate word. Correct answer is underscore. Question number 24, indentation larger than dash make deeply nested code difficult to read and increase the chance that the line must be split. Correct answer is 4. Question number 25, which phase of software development life cycle is considered most expensive? Correct answer is maintenance. Question number 26, the software requirement document describe all the dash provided by the system along with the constraint under which it must operate. Correct answer is services. Question number 27, dash and functional specification documents are produced in requirement analysis phase. Correct answer is requirement definition. Question number 28, during the program execution most of the time is spent on dash. Correct answer is loops. स्टूडेंट, अगर मेरी वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें। Question number 29, when many applications need to be ported on to many different dash. Correct answer is platforms. Question number 30, there are dash steps involved in identification of structure while driving object model. Correct answer is 2. Question number 31. The technique which is used to separate error handling code from normal code is called dash. Correct answer is exceptional handling. Question number 32. In order to show the presence of a defect, a dash breaks the system. Correct answer is tester. Question number 33. Dash design decision should be one that are changeable in software development cycle. Correct answer is both A and B. Question number 34. Architectural model proposed as elemental elements air contain dash views. Correct answer is 4. Question number 35. Dash server provides set of applications that enable communication among client using text, image, bulletin boards, videos, etc. Correct answer is groupware. Question number 36. Dash is a result of effort to find a middle ground between the far-fetched client architecture and the thin client architecture. Correct answer is entire architecture. Question number 37. The process we capture the concurrency and dash accept of the design. Correct answer is synchronization. Question number 38. Dash involves purely black box testing. Correct answer is integration testing and interface testing. Question number 39. Dash is the correct formula for calculating cyclomatic complexity of a program. Correct answer is E minus n plus 2. Question number 40. Dash is not included in test criteria applied in the phase of testing. Correct answer is programming language, programming logic. स्टूडेंट अगर आपको मेरी समझ आ गई है तो प्लीज